So this is my 3-car towel set here. Now these are microfibers, and you'll notice we have 3 different colors. We've got the yellow, the green, and the blue. So the yellow is actually for tires and your interior. That's why it's so small like that. It's a 10 by 10 inches. Then we also have the green, which is 14 by 24. That's when you're drying off the paint of the vehicle, you're cleaning off the glass of the vehicle. And then we also have the larger one, that's the blue. That's for cleaning those big areas. It's a 48 by 24. That's for your body and the roof when you're getting all that water off and you're trying to dry off those larger areas. So what I've noticed right away with the color side, I mean, it's just really nice and soft, and that's why this is for drying. And this other side, this is a little bit more tougher. It's not quite as soft, and it is really good for polishing. Of course, this small one is going to go for my interior. I'm cleaning my tires, any of those small areas. And then the larger the area, the larger the towel. I love that these are all color coded and by size, and this allows me to have 3 different towels for 3 different jobs on my vehicle, whether I'm working on the interior, I'm just working on tires, I'm drying, or polishing. Hope you found this review helpful.